Hello friends, today we will discuss about some basic questions on algae. The first question is, study of algae is known as, you all know that study of algae is known as phycology. Basically, phycology is the term which we will use for algae and mycology is the term which we will use for fungi. So the study of fungi is known as mycology while the study of algae is known as phycology. My next question is, term algae was given by. So the term algae was given by Linnaeus. Next question is algae are. So algae are basically options are chlorophyllous cryptogams. Second is non-chlorophyllous cryptogams. Third option is chlorophyllous phanerogams. And the fourth option is non-chlorophyllous phanerogams. As we all know, there are two types of plants. First one are the cryptogams and other one are the phanerogams. The basic difference between cryptogams and the phanerogams is that phanerogams are the flowering plants. So algae does not have flower. So the option C and D will be eliminated from this. Okay. And now there are two options left, that is the chlorophyllous cryptogams or the non-chlorophyllous cryptogams. And we all know that algae contains chlorophyll because it is a photosynthetic organism. So the right answer of this question is that algae are chlorophyllous cryptogams. Okay. Now my next question number 4. Sex organs in algae are generally. So if we talk about algae, what type of sex organs are present in algae? The options are A, unicellular and jacketed, B, unicellular and non-jacketed. Third one is that multicellular and jacketed, while D, none of the above. So the correct answer of this question is that the sex organs in algae are unicellular and non-jacketed. Okay. Now question number 5. Which of the following is not a character of algae? So here in this we have to see that which is the characteristic in which is absent in algae. Okay. First one is it lacks vascular tissue. Second option is it little differentiation of true tissue. Third option is no embryo formation, and the fourth option is none of the above. So if we will look at all the characteristics, then we know that algae lacks vascular tissue. So this answer is this option is correct. Second is little differentiation of true tissue. We all know that algae is a thalloid organism, means its plant body is thallus-like, means not differentiated into true roots, stem and leaves. Next option is no embryo formation. We know that in algae there is no formation of embryo. So the correct answer is D, that is none of the above. Okay. Next, who is called as father of modern algology in India? So the father of modern algology in India, first option is R.N. Singh, second option is Y. Bharadwaj, third option is F.E. Fritsch, while the fourth option is M.O.P. Iyengar. So father of modern algology is M.O.P. Iyengar. Okay, this is a very important question, so you have to learn this answer. Next is terrestrial alga Frischella was discovered by. Options are option A Fritsch, option option C Y. Bharadwaj, option B Iyengar, and option D Desikachari. So in the previous question we have seen that the father of modern algology in India is M.O.P. Iyengar. So I am relating this question with the 7th question because Iyengar was the person who discovered this terrestrial algae named Frischella. So the correct answer of this question is Iyengar. Okay. Now question number 8. Role of blue-green algae in reclamation of saline user land in India was shown by. So the role of options are Iyengar, second option is Balakrishnan, third option is R.N. Singh, and the fourth option is Y. Bharadwaj. So the correct answer of this question is option number C, R.N. Singh. Okay, R.N. Singh has approved the role of blue-green algae in reclamation of saline user land in India. Okay, now question number 9. Which of the following is not an algologist? Okay, not an algologist. Option first is Desikachari, second is H.D. Kumar, third is Ghose, and fourth is none of these. So we all know that these all three are famous algologists. So the answer will be D, that is none of these. Now next question is, which of the following is a marine alga? So the marine algae, first option is Zoochlorile, second is Oedogonium, third one is Fucus, and fourth option is Protoderma. The correct answer of this question is Fucus. As we all know that Fucus is a brown algae, okay, and brown algae are mostly marine algae. So the answer is option number C, Fucus. The next question is, which of the following is a cryophytic alga? The options are Hematococcus nivalis, second option is Scotiella, third option is Chlamydomonas yellowstonensis, and the fourth option is D, all the above. The right answer is all the above. Now the next question, red snow is caused by. So in this question, causal organism of red snow is asked. Options are option A, Chlamydomonas nivalis, option B, Hematococcus nivalis, option C, both A and B, and option D, none of the above. So red snow is caused by both Chlamydomonas nivalis and Hematococcus nivalis. So the correct answer of this question is C, option C, that is both A and B. Now next question, question number 13. Green snow in Europe is caused by. Okay, so green snow in Europe is caused by, I'm saying the options. First option is Chlamydomonas nivalis, second is Chlamydomonas yellowstonensis, third one is Scotiella, and fourth one is none of the above. So the correct answer of this question is Chlamydomonas yellowstonensis. Okay, it causes green snow in Europe. Now next question, black snow is caused by. Options are Scytonema, Scotiella, Rhaphidonemma, and both B and C. So the black snow is caused by both Scotiella and Rhaphidonemma. Okay. Now question number 15. Nostoc and Anabaena live symbiotically in. Options are Anthoceros, second is Azolla fern, third is coralloid root of cycas, and fourth is all of the above. It is also an important question. So Nostoc and Anabaena live symbiotically in Anthoceros also, okay, in Azolla also. Azolla, it is a fern, it is a pteridophyte. Coralloid root of cycas also, Anabaena is present, and cycas is a gymnosperm, we all know, okay. So the answer will be D, that is all the above. Next, blue-green algae which live endophytically in protozoa are called. So blue-green algae which lives endophytically are known as Synelli. Okay, what they are called? They are known as Synelli. Next question is, now I am saying only the answers. Okay, otherwise this video gets very long. Question number 17. Which is a endozoic alga? Endozoic alga means those algae which lives inside any animal. So the answer of this question is Zoochlorile. Zoochlorile is a endozoic alga. Okay. Next, Red Sea is red due to. Why Red Sea is red? Red Sea is red due to a algae which is known as Trichodesmium erythraeum. Okay. So the correct answer of this question is option number C. Now next question, which algae is commonly known as water net? This is also an important question coming in various exams. Water net is known, the algae which is known as water net is Hydrodictyon. Okay. Now question number 20. Simplest non-motile unicellular coccoidal algae is. So here it is our simplest non-motile unicellular coccoidal algae. Coccoidal means round shape algae is. The answer is Crococcus. Okay. Crococcus is the unicellular coccoidal algae. Okay. Now next question is question number 21. Unbranched floating filaments are found in. So unbranched floating filaments are found in Spirogyra. Okay, Spirogyra filaments are unbranched and these are also floating. Okay. Now next question is, thallus differentiated into prostate and erect system is called. Okay, when the thallus is differentiated into prostate and erect system, then what it is called? It is known as heterotrichus. Okay, what is prostate? Prostate means creeping. Okay, when the thallus is present on the ground, then it is known as creeping, and erect means when it is present above the ground. Okay, so there are mainly basically two type of thallus. First one is the prostate, means it is creeping on the ground, and second one is erect, means it is above the ground in air. Okay, so heterotrichus name is given to those thallus which is having both prostate and erect system. Next question, frogs spawn alga is. Frogs spawn alga is known as Batrachospermum. Okay, frogs spawns alga is known as Batrachospermum. Now my next question, question number 24. Highest number of chromosomes in algae is. So if the highest number of chromosomes, that is N equals to 592, it is found in Natrium. Okay, Natrium contains the highest number of chromosomes. Next question, non-flagellated thin-walled spores in algae are called. So non-flagellated thin-walled spores in algae are known as aplanospore. Okay, aplanospores are thin-walled. Okay, you have to learn this aplanospores, that aplanospores are thin-walled spores. Okay, whenever you see this thin-walled word in the question, okay, then your answer will be aplanospores. Next question, question number 26. Most advanced group of algae is. So most advanced group of algae is Rhodophyta, that is red algae. Now the next question is most gigantic among algae is. Gigantic means very large in size. So most gigantic algae is the Macrocystis algae. It is very large algae. Okay. Next question, Cyanobacteria, a new name has been given to. Cyanobacteria name is given to Myxophyceae. Okay, Cyanobacteria name is given to Myxophyceae. Next question, hypnospores are for. So hypnospores are basically, they are meant for reproduction. Okay, hypnospores are basically meant for reproduction. Next question, gametes without a cell wall are called. Those gametes which do not have a cell wall are known as gymnogametes. Okay. Next question, autogamy is a characteristic feature of. So autogamy is a characteristic feature of diatoms. This question is also very important. Okay. Next question, which algae is the richest source of protein? So basically proteinaceous algae is the Chlorella. Okay, Chlorella is a very proteinaceous algae. Next question, which of the following is chewed as tobacco in Scotland? So which algae is chewed as tobacco? Answer is Rhodymenia. Rhodymenia is the algae which is chewed as tobacco in Scotland. Next question, which of the following is agarophyte? Okay, which of the following is agarophyte, from which agar is made? Okay, so the answer of this question is all of these. Means in making agar, Gelidium, Gracilaria and Gigartima, all three are used. So the answer will be option number D, all of these. Next question, Irish moss yields an important substance. Answer is carrageen. Okay, carrageen is obtained from Irish moss. This is also a very important question coming in various exams. Next question, question number 36. Alginates or algin used as highly efficient gauze in internal operations are obtained from cell wall of. So algin is basically obtained from Phaeophyceae. Okay, from Phaeophyceae, from the brown algae, algin is obtained. Next question, diatomite is obtained from. So we all know that diatoms belong to Bacillariophyceae. Okay, diatoms belongs to Bacillariophyceae. So diatomite is obtained from Bacillariophyceae. Next question, an important antibiotic of algal origin is. So an important antibiotic of algal origin is chlorelin, because chlorella is an algae from which chlorelin is obtained. Now which algae is used in control of malaria? This is also important. Nightella is the algae which is used in control of malaria. Next question, sewage oxidation cones have luxuriant growth of. So in sewage oxidation cones there is luxuriant growth of various algae like Chlorella, Sandesmus and Chlamydomonas. So the answer will be all of these. Next question, which algae is used in space program to regulate the supply of dash? Okay, so the correct answer is Chlorella, because Chlorella is mainly used for the supply of oxygen. Okay. Now which algae is used in biological research? In biological research, all these three algae are used, like Acetabularia, Chlorella, Valonia. So answer will be D, all of these. Next question, water bloom is generally caused by. So water bloom is generally caused by which algae? The answer will be blue-green algae.